Hey folks, welcome back. What we've got is this Huztl G366 again today. This is a follow-up. Got this saw about 3 or 4 months ago. Really haven't had much trouble with it, but recently it's starting to get a little finicky. Now and then she'll die coming out of the cut. I really want to idle real well unless I've got it idling quite high. She keeps leaning herself out. Got an issue with the fuel vent. Clearly an air issue. So what we'll do is do a simple quick little check on whether it's fuel vent by popping the fuel cap. We're going outside, going to run her, get her warm. Shut her down, show you how it doesn't want to start, and then we'll pop the fuel cap, show you how it starts right up. Okay? And if that is the issue, if that solves it, then we'll go ahead and replace the fuel vent. We've got one, and that would go right under here. Okay? We're going outside. Okay, back outside. I'm going to go ahead and fire it up. Let it get warm. Show you what it does when she's warm. A little slow, wasn't I? Now we got her shut off. I'm going to say she's warm. We're going to see if it's going to start up. It should. But it isn't. Okay? I'm not going to choke it. I'm just going to go down, half close the butterfly and give it fuel. I had to half choke it. So I think there's, like I said, an issue. What we'll do is fire it up again. And this time when we shut it off, we'll open the tank cap and see how it starts. Okay, now all we're going to do is just simply turn it on and go ahead and start it after we pop that fuel cap. So when the fuel cap is popped, seems not to have any trouble starting right back up.